How to make cheeseburgers on the Nuwave Medley XL Digital Skillet. First, preheat the skillet to 425 degrees. While the skillet is preheating, season your beef patties and prep the buns and vegetables. When the skillet is finished preheating, add oil first. Then, begin cooking the burger patties. When your beef patties are almost finished cooking, add the cheese on top until it melts. Use the glass lid to contain the heat and moisture. Place the cooked patties onto the buns to assemble the cheeseburgers. The cheeseburgers are ready to serve. Enjoy!
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.